ba?
Di ba? Okay.
First time.
Yung tipong pang 300 mo ng first time.
Grabe naman.
Saan ba nangyayari itong mga ganito?
Yung mga kunyari, yung mga magbabadminton ka. First time ko lang ngayon. Pero alam, gusto lang niya yung parang, ang galing mo naman. Pala. Fishing for compliments lang.
Parang kumbaga sa wag na, okay lang.
Sige, okay. Tama na tayo, okay na. Wrap it up.
The top 10 adult slumbo questions. If you want to join us, go ahead and tweet us, twitter.com/rx931. Please include #TheMorningRush and #Adult Slumbook Questions in all your tweets.
Chico, Gino, and Bear. TMR, The Morning Rush Top 10.
The Morning Rush Top 10.
Monster Radio RX 93.1. Time for the top 10 for today.
Straight into it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So thank you to Homer Sweet Home for suggesting this. And thank you to everybody for making us trend number 2 in the Philippines.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Let's start off with let's start off with Jay Ryan.
All right.
Adult slumbo questions. We have to answer each question.
Well, not each question.
Okay, fine.
As much as we can.
Okay.
As much as we can. Ano ang una mong sinasabon kapag naliligo?
Oh.
Ako kasi other than shampoo,
I do shampoo first and then arms.
ako chest. No, kasi mostly to lather up. Kasi yun yung parang pinaka broad na area
Chest.
na flat. So that
Chest.
para magsabon.
Oh.
And I soap first,
Broad
always.
shoulders eh.
Whoa.
Ay!
Whoa.
Ganon.
And if we're just talking about broad area as well,
Alright.
there's always the belly. Oh, ano, bakit? Malaki tiyan ko eh.
Hindi, I mean, that's what I mean. Chest, belly, it's that whole torso.
It's very good.
It's very big. Coming from Homer Sweet Home, adult slum book questions. Technically, pwede to sa bata-bata, pero I guess it's more challenging for adults.
Okay.
Describe your life in one word.
Dramatic. And I don't think it's because it's dramatic, but I think we just tend to like...
You put the drama in it.
the drama in it.
Ako naman monotonous. Yeah. Well, lately that's how I've been feeling like.
Lately. But life.
But in a nutshell, adventurous.
Adventure. I think that's good.
I think that's also why I feel like
there's not a lot happening.
because like normal everyday seems so parang normal everyday because
like
it's not as
that's what you were
minus
like.
the partying face that you just had. But you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
if you're constantly having adventures, going back to normalcy is so mundane.
That's true.
Ako siguro unexpected. I mean, it's not necessarily good. It's not necessarily bad.
It's
more like, wow, I never knew it would go this way.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I like it.
Let's see here. Coming from... Nagulat ako. Coming from...
You really cannot.
Ito, we don't need to answer this. From Memski. Adult slum book questions.
Okay.
Ito naman, slum boom questions ang